What's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're here with the EJ again. Single cam is ready to be pulled out. We already looked over everything. We disconnected all the fuel lines, the rest of the harness. We just disconnected the shift linkage, so everything's good to go. We just need to loosen up the mounts, and the EJ should finally, or the single cam should finally be ready to be pulled out of the EJ. Oh, damn. Alright guys, so all that we got left are the engine mounts. So we got a mount right there, mount right there. We got the T-mount in the back right there. And then just a torque mount right there. Should be ready to go.
I know we both strong here.
There you know, my sub pulled up again. Joseph pulled up again.
What's up?
Hey, my boy here for that moral support. I just need that.
There you go, baby.
Oh, look at him.
Strong ass motherfucker.
My boy's buff, but you know, these are still 25-year-old mounts that probably never ever been loosened ever, so yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
that shit come from?
Alright, so all the mounts are out. That should be everything. Everything should be disconnected, so let's see. You do the honors, Marcelo? Oh, hold on. Alright, missed one vacuum hose. Shout out to Joseph.
Hospital, bro. This shit bleeding.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
That shit busting.
Alright, guys. So when we wrapped it around, we thought it was more secure than that. When we started pulling it up, the shit just completely fell to the side. But we should be alright. Should be alright.
Don't. Yeah.
This motor is basura anyway, so we'll need it. It's trash.
Who wants to buy it? Let me get it, bro.
The B series motor will actually put in here nice and straight because we have to, but you know, this one doesn't matter. So as long as it comes out, right? Alright guys, finally got the motor off the engine hoist, and there it is. There's the D15 single cam that's been in this Civic for 25 years, and now another Civic finally has no motor.
Oh my god.
Right there, guys. So just look at that. All these room for activities.
I'm happy.
It's time about degreasing now.
True.
Alright, we need some degreaser. Which one?
That one looks cool as fuck.
Hey, you don't need more than that, bro. You see how nasty that shit is?
Get one of these pipes to fight on.
Yeah, you need one of these, bro.
But this shit.
Oh, yeah.
It's at 30 pet.
We ready?
I know, but. I know we got a full car. We ain't making them that home. Here needs a lot.
Finally degreasing the bay. You can already see the dirt and grime just falling off. Something like a million times better in here. Oh yeah, we need the most in this corner right here. Oh man.
Get in here, doesn't mean.
You already know, guys. Simple Green's the way to go. No sponsor, but they're the plug. Nah, for real. Hey, if you guys watching this, sponsor, they're the plug for real. All-purpose cleaners.
We get sponsored by. Oh, that shit is gunky. Ooh, that's all for your battery, bro. That's disgusting.
For real.
I should like got that leaking O-ring and shit. You know what?
My goodness, bro.
My boy got that 30 pack.
It's only $10. Why you give him some? You want some too?
Because I asked.
It was so much better already, just a minor cleanup. Still nasty back there, but looking better, looking better. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking so far. Looking way better. So I already added daylight, so tomorrow we have a fresh day. And I'm gonna be throwing in that B20 over there, so you guys can see that rusty ass flywheel. It's on the B20.
Read it, please.
Yeah. That rusty shit gotta go.
Damn, there you go.
Oh, we got brand new parts right here.
That shit is busting.
Brand new flywheel.
It's for F-150 instead.
Oh, I got the brand new clutch in here too, okay. Yes sir, so I'm gonna be throwing that on the motor tomorrow. We'll be replacing the whole clutch, throwing on the transmission, and throwing in the motor. Yes sir.
East Siders. Coming out. The late.
Damn, and Jesse pulled up in the new build.
Yeah, girl. Yeah,
Oh.
babe. I'm a virgin.
Okay. Okay. It's a little rough around the edges. Hey, bro, I really like the sunroof, bro.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, I really.
What you think, bro?
You
Sounds
want,
like-
you want to explain this shit? I've never seen some shit like this in my
Yeah, this
life,
shit has
bro.
brand new tires, bro.
What happened to the LS, bro? What is
I
this?
got rid of that shit.
You got rid of the LS for this?
Tired of it, bro. I wanted the camera.
Oh, you got the JD in front end? Okay.
Yeah, he bought a JZ-X, you know.
JC.
One JZ.
Oh shit.
One JZ VVTi.
Yeah, see, that's why, bro.
Alright guys, so today the plan is to drop this thing into the EJ. We got the transmission right here. Yeah, Jesus has everything brand new. He has a brand new clutch kit. We're just waiting on the dealership. We're gonna see if they have some new bolts that we can use for the flywheel, and that's it. And we'll be able to throw on the trans, mount it on there, put on all the mounts, switch over the harness, and yeah, get that thing in there.
Peace out the world.
Our new flywheel's on there, and guys, don't ever reuse the bolts. We're kind of pressed. Well, Jesus is pressed for time, and he needs the car running soon. So, and we went to we checked the dealership and the stores, and there's a wait on them, and it's raining tomorrow. So yeah, we're kind of pressed for time. So said fuck it, but we put some Loctite on them. So yeah, don't reuse your flywheel bolts. Just get new ones. But hey, this is not my car. It's not my build.
It's my life.
You'll be alright. But guys, we are doing this part right. We're at least torquing it to spec.
Now with
You already
Harbor
know.
Freight.
Let's say that.
Alright guys, so I was gonna make this into a different video, but we just ran into so many issues.
You want these?
First, the trans was taking forever to come off, but the trans finally came off. Yeah, so we needed the trans bolts, and we also needed the pressure plate bolts, so that's why we took off the transmission. And also, the injectors are different for the connector, so we're swapping out the injectors right now. So we took out the fuel rails, swapping out the injectors since the connections were different, and hopefully after this everything is smooth sailing. We also got the harness off the single cam, so yeah, we're gonna be needing to swap this over to the B series too. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw all of this on one vlog because yeah, this is not going in until over the weekend now, so we'll have another vlog for you guys. I'm just throw all of this in one vlog. But yeah, getting it done. A couple setbacks, but still getting it done. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. We made some huge progress. The motor's finally out. This vlog's probably gonna be just a little bit shorter, but I want more content out for you guys. So if you guys are enjoying, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Really helps out the videos get out there more. And if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. B20's coming soon. My case swap's gonna be ready soon. It's lit. It's just gonna be lit. Hey, BrokeBoys 100K this year. 100K, baby.
102, son.
105.